Hey guys, my name is Tana. Hey guys, my name is Tana, and I'm about to head out to see Con, Bobby, and the gang. And I actually took out my Audi and was heading out. And then it began to rain. You see there, it's going to rain, and the weather's quite bad. Had to come all the way back and take stuff out of my Audi and get into my Everest. That's one thing. I think not all cars can do everything, because there are cars which are good in specific things. Like in the case of my Audi, it's excellent for highway cruising. It's excellent for things like having fun, being naughty. When it comes to practicality, you see my boot space is just pretty much full carrying this stuff over here. Comes to practicality, nothing beats having a pickup truck. A pickup truck is so versatile. You can use it as a people mover to carry stuff. You can carry it to weather the the storms in KL, and that's why I like about the Everest, because it's a cross between a pickup truck, SUV, and so much more. I got so much space in the back over here. As you can see, so much space. I get my kids' stuff out. It's dirty, but that's the idea. You got a truck, you don't mind getting it dirty, throwing stuff in there, closing it off, and going on your way. That's the beauty about having a truck or SUV. And I think after this, I'll be hard pressed not having an SUV or a pickup truck in my lineup. I'm so addicted. Having those large wheels gives me confidence. I can go anywhere. I mean, look at this. This is me and my waist, and my tires up to my almost my waist, or the waterline here. I'm fat. Yes, I know I'm fat, but yeah, that's why I love my pickup truck, and it gets me places that my much more expensive Audi can't. I need a new battery. So guys, see you later. I'm heading over to see Bobby, and we're going to go do some go-kart, and I'm going to lose badly to Bang, because Bang is that good in go-kart. Bye.